you lift, bro?
No, just run.
You're like a hardcore fan of us, YouTube, yeah?
Yeah.
Did you know I'm doing a video?
No.
Why not?
I don't know.
I didn't tell him.
Your dad didn't tell you. I told your dad to get you ready and stuff. Like get your makeup and shit done.
Come straight from work.
I thought more of this.
Yeah, see that? You're in shock, eh?
Yeah, a little bit.
Listen.
Because I think I've watched every YouTube video about the any Nissan that you had. I've watched it. I've watched a lot of the Hilux videos.
Yeah.
I just didn't think my car would get on it.
Why not?
I don't know. It's always like there's that one car that's always a little bit better. Never thought I'd have that car, that feature.
Alright, I'll tell you something, yeah? And I'll make it loud and clear.
Yeah.
We do videos for people that enjoy what they do and love what they do and have love for their car.
Yeah.
We don't do it to show how big our balls are. And
No.
yeah, bro, you know, we're not like that, bro.
Yeah.
I know you're a fan, I know you love our shit,
Yeah.
and you're excited and you waited a long time and you probably watch all our videos, yeah?
Yeah.
The people watching, this is legit shit. This is not scripted or anything.
No.
You can say whatever the fuck you want, bro.
Yeah.
Okay? Tell us how you feel. Are you excited? Are you nervous? Are you this? Are you that? Fill me in.
I'm pretty excited at the minute, pretty nervous as well. Coming into it. Coming here the other day, what we come Thursday,
Yeah.
I sort of came here with a little idea of what I wanted. I mainly just knew I wanted the lift kit and the wheels. Had no idea what wheels I wanted, and I pretty much put that into Mo and said, what's going to look good, what's going to work. I left my trust fully into him, and I'm pretty excited to see what the end outcome is going to be.
So we end up adding a rival bar, a winch. We also reused his light bar and put it back on top of the bar. And I also decided to black out the chrome on the rear bar. The car's all done.
Very excited.
No, yeah?
Yeah.
You shitting yourself a little bit?
Little bit.
That's all right.
A little bit.
You ready?
Yeah.
Hey, straight out, I'll be honest with you. I didn't think it was going to look that good, eh? What do you reckon?
It just looks 10 times better. Looks so clean. The black wheels, the bumper.
Your dad was saying, do you got still shackles? So get the black ones with the red.
Looks heaps good.
Look at that, bro.
The bash plate, the red bash plate. Wow.
The red springs,
Oh yeah. Like
the red hubs, the wheels.
Yeah. And the most important thing is we've just introduced our brand new Nomad victim. So we've got ourselves another victim over here. He's AutoCraze, he's done, he's dusted. It's all prettied up, ready to go. He's going to be ready, and a shout out to our new premier, Dominic. Thank you so much for letting us out of this lockdown. He's going to be hitting whatever the hell he can, where he can, how he can, with the Bush Ranger 10,000 pound winch. We've also got the light bar that's added to it that came originally on the car. We've also blacked out. You haven't even seen the rear bar yet, bro.
no, I haven't. Oh, how much better does it look?
You know what I'm saying now?
How much better? Yeah. That
It's
is.
a nice touch.
That's awesome.
Small finishing, baby touch.
Yeah, look, I couldn't be happy with how it turned out. The guys here at AutoCraze, they're so professional with everything they do, from my first meeting to the last meeting driving out the door. Everything has exceeded my expectations with how it looks, how it's turned out, and I couldn't recommend them any more than what I will. And I will be recommending them to everybody I know that wants to do anything small or large to their car. They're so good here.